Here's a demonstration of my Morse code machine. So we're going to print hello, starting with H, which is 4 dots. H. E is 1 dot. L is dot, dash, dot, dot. Again, dot, dash, dot, dot. O is 3 dashes. And then we'll add a space after O. So press this button twice, and we'll try some digits. Let's try 1, which is dot, dash, 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 dash. And here's 1. To make sure that our decoder recognize wrong code, we'll try 6 dot. The machine prints wrong code for a little bit and does not add anything to it. And finally, let's finish with a 0, which is 5 dashes. Okay, and then we can send. It says sent. And now let's go to the server, refresh. And here's what I just typed into my screen. Thank you.